Let's spend a few minutes learning how to pay outstanding fees on applications or records that had been previously submitted. Let's go ahead and log back in. And going to My Records, I have gone ahead and created multiple records in other modules or departments to give you all an idea of what it will look like on the My Records screen. So again, the arrowhead means we can collapse or expand each one of these departments or divisions. So you can see that whereas before there was only building, now there are multiple departments. That's because I have submitted at least one application in each one of these. I have one for water and navigation, which is a dock, dredge, and fill permit. I have one for DRS, which is a tree removal or habitat permit. I have one for planning, which is a variance. And I have the two building express building permits that we had previously gone through in our examples. You can see that on the planning side for my variance permit, on the actions column, there is a pay fees due option. Remember, this is the same column that earlier showed that if we had an incomplete submission, it would give us an opportunity to continue the submittal of that application. In that action column now, it shows me when fees are due. So I'm going to go ahead and I can either go in here, which will take me to the main page for that record, or I can just click on the Pay Fees Due link. If I do that, clicking directly on the Pay Fees Due link takes me to the following page. And it's the place in the record where I need to pay the fee. But I don't want to go ahead and pay for the fee directly unless I can remember which record we're on. So from that point of view, actually going to the record may be more helpful for you. Or if you're aware that this is an outstanding fee, you can just go directly to the fees payment page. So again, I'm going to expand planning, and instead of going directly to pay fees due, I'm going to click on the record number, which will take me to the record details page. And now that I am here at the record details page, I can go to the payment after reviewing if I need to. So the same thing, you can just expand over here and look at all of the related information that was there. But from here, you can click on payment, click on fees, and then you have the same link there for the fee of $375. So we had done this before, but I'm just going to go ahead and pay this fee. And it takes me to my payment screen where we have to fill out the information in order to submit for payment. So after making that payment, we can now see that the fees have been paid. Again, I can click on the print receipt button to view the receipt. I can go back to the record details, or I can just go back home and work with my list of records. From here, I can either jump directly to any of the individual departments or divisions that I want to work with today, or I can go into my records and then take a look at all of the records that are currently associated with my login ID. Among them are the variance record, which I have already paid for, so there's nothing in the actions column. And those are the steps that are required in order to pay an outstanding fee on the system.